OOBLECK today, and just to let you know, it's cornstarch. You can see right here on this box, and then this is water. Anyone that thinks this is vinegar, it's actually not vinegar. So here are some rules you should not forget. Like, don't forget these rules. Don't pour OOBLECK in the sink. Put it in the garbage, or put it and if you want to save it, put it in a plastic bag. The garbage, you just keep it there if you don't want it anymore. We're going to pour both at the same time. It might be a little bit messy, but we have to get ready. 3, 2, 1.
What the? Wait, let's stir it. Baby, you go first.
Baby, stir it. I'm so happy. Oh, look at the steam, guys.
Whoa.
Was this hot water?
Yep, it was. Unless there's still more water. Cool.
So whose turn is it next? After is
Me.
the entree. See?
Yeah. It is hard.
It's because it's OOBLECK.
Ah,
My turn.
it's so squishy. It's like Kuya, it's like an octopus. Wow, I never seen that. Mommy, it's like an octopus.
Oh! Now can we play with it? This is mostly OOBLECK. So watch this, guys.
Look at Kuya. Mommy.
What? So this is a liquid and a solid. So if you scoop it up, liquid, and then punch. It didn't even work. I should pull up my sleeves.
They're so wet.
It didn't even go. But
I can do this.
This is a continuation of last time. We were able to fix the mistake. The cornstarch kind of settled and water came out. And now it's hard. But if you
again to show how hard it is. There you go.
Super hard.
and then if you just
Whoa, it's super cool.
then you can see the cornstarch inside here.
Is it turning liquid? Can you show?
It turns liquid like this.
Cornstarch. Mom, can you do the
Wow.
other sleeve?
My sleeves are already up, guys. My brother is just asking my mom to
Try getting like a big bunch.
I can.
wait, this is not possible. Will it melt? It's going down. Down, down, down. Oh,
Oh no.
yeah. I'll put this down now.
Hey guys,
Let me pick that up.
this is super cool.
Oh no,
You should try to do this at your home with your mom and dad.
yeah, you might need some help. There's some on the floor. Plus.
Do you need more water?
Not sure. Yeah, we do.
It looks like it's so hard.
It's not melting.
Yeah, okay. Try putting this.
Whoa.
Okay, now we just mix it.
But how?
Careful, it might fall.
Okay.
Don't put it close to the edge.
Okay.
It's super duper hard. If you do this at home, make sure you have a parent. And make sure you have Ryan.
Is it better?
Yeah.
Huh?
There you go.
Mom, it go down. Mom, can you do my sleeve again?
Oh no, some got on the table.
No, that's enough water.
Mom,
Look at it again.
Look at it, guys.
it's super cool. Mom, can I touch
Milk
my
down!
hand like
Milk down! The milk down of Mickey
this?
Mouse!
Can I do this?
Let's punch it.
Don't punch it too hard.
Nothing's happening. Knock, 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 knock.
So can you explain
It's
what's
too
happening?
hard.
What did you learn about it?
That it's a liquid and a solid. This is all about learning today, guys. It's not about just having fun. And we're getting
It's
older.
having fun while learning.
Yeah.
Mom,
Yes.
Peter Pumpkin just became fertilizer. It's Alexa upstairs, guys. These. What the? Watch it.
I need to wash my hands.
This is like a Play-Doh box set. Look at that, solid.
And it looks like you're washing your hands. It's because there's water in it. It's not melting.
Stinky! When you punch it, it turns into a solid. And when you, just don't touch it, it'll turn into a liquid. See, watch it.
Yeah, because it melts.
And if you, it doesn't even work. Ugh. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and look at our next video's notifications. Bye-bye. Can we keep on playing with the OOBLECK? So, which one's bigger? It's a noob game. Which one's bigger? Which one's bigger, Z? It's a noob game.
Oh, this one.
Which one's smaller?
This one.
Okay, that's a pro game. Which one's bigger?
This one.
Change to noob. Let's just keep on playing. Oh, yeah. I saw Ryan playing with OOBLECK. I saw a little bit powder. Are you satisfied, Mom? It's so satisfying playing with it.
Yeah. Can I put my hands in it?
Yep. You can grab some too. The water mixed with the cornstarch again. Now there's no more water.
I feel water.
Listen, I don't know. It's not bad. It's good. Whoa.
It's turning into salt.
Solid.
Salt. What salt?
See?
Solid.
Your arm.
What?
I got to the bottom.
What's solid, liquid, and gas, Raylan?
Water, water, water. Actually, water,
No,
ice,
what are
and
they
steam.
called?
Water, ice, and steam.
Matter?
Yep. 3 states of matter.
Okay. 3 states of matter.
But this is only 2 states of matter. Water's got all the states of matter.
Okay, how?
Liquid is water, normal form, and last form is steam, which is still water.
How do you get steam out of water?
You put hot water.
You boil it.
Oh. And then ice.
And how do you get ice from water?
You leave it in the fridge or keep it cold in your car.
Freezer.
Oh.
Yeah, have some of this.
I keep on digging, but it's going down still. Hey, stop. Stop it. Okay.
I got it all the way to the bottom, guys. And then look. Oh! Ah!
It's gonna fall soon.
Move the plate.
You mean bowl?
Look at my hands. Liquid. Oh.
Kuya, it actually looks like ice. Kuya,
Let's try to punch it.
the oobleck looks like broken ice. Wait, I see it at the bottom.
Our hands are dirty.
No.
Careful, you might punch your brother's fingers.
I got the bottom.
Be careful.
I need the bottom. Ooh.
Whoa.
Hey, look at this, guys. After I'm gonna put some on your face.
After I'm going to, if whoever likes and subscribes, I'm going to give this oobleck to them, and they can use it for the video. Actually, and hit the notification bell so you can get the oobleck.
And if you don't subscribe, you will not get some.
My brother is sometimes really funny. I don't want to tell you the secret. Actually,
That's because,
it's a bad secret. You want me to tell you?
yes.
Yeah, okay. My brother sometimes rages at me. Actually, because sometimes I kill him in Roblox. If you guys want to friend me in Roblox, my name is guest050112. My brother has a lot of accounts. I'm not sure what his accounts are. But we are friends in Roblox.
It's Yandre.
Z-Poogie or Zeandre Poogie.
No, that's not his account.
I'm not sure what's in his account then.
I had a lot of accounts. I have a lot.
Watch it, guys. Oh, and guys, you can friend me in Blocky Cards too. Just type in Robot Games in the App Store. Then you'll find it. It's Blocky.
It's not the App Store.
Yeah, it is the App Store. It's Blocky Cards, okay,
But
guys?
I don't have the App Store.
But it's still gonna be
Because you
there.
don't have an iPhone.
Whoa, look at
You
it.
mean an
I
iPad?
mean, you don't have an Apple gadget. You have a...
Mine's is an Apple?
It's Apple.
Yours is Apple.
PS Play Store.
What the? Look at this big, ginormous piece. Guys,
Subscribe,
like, and notifications.
and notifications.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
We're going to keep on playing while you guys can't see us because this thing is so much fun. Oobleck! And make sure don't pour the oobleck in the sink like Ryan said at school. But Ryan wasn't actually at my school. It was just on the board thing and just Don't put it in the sink. If you want to save it, put it in a plastic bag. If you don't want to, put it in the trash. Not the recycling.
Bye-bye.
Happy bye.